What's up, y'all? So I got this right here, and I'm gonna make it into. I'm gonna cut it in half, right? So it looks like inside. So I'm gonna cut it in half like this, and then I'm gonna take one of these corners and I'm gonna make it into like a pancake style welding mesh to go with those goggles that I already have. I don't know if you guys have seen them. I can like show you all in the next clip. Okay, I was at 1% battery last time. I just barely made it. So this is what it's looked like so far. It looks like I cracked it up here because the plastic is way more brittle than I expected. So I'm gonna switch up my methods a little bit. I'm gonna use this, which is a dope ass, super cheap heat gun from Amazon. So that's definitely a good buy if you want that shit. Alright, I'm gonna heat it up, and then I was using these before, and it was really hard, and if I break it too big in the wrong place, it's a wash, and then I have to go get another one and stop what I'm doing. So I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna hit it with a razor blade, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this went so well that I wanted to show y'all, because this is how you should do it if you ever want to do this. And that's what's up. So this is what it looks like now. Way too big. But I'm gonna cut it like that, and then I'm gonna just slowly work it down to like the perfect shape. Okay, so if you get this knife really hot with this thing, it will just go straight through this. Okay. Alright, this is what it looks like now. Alright, I was trying to figure out if I should do it like this or like this, but I think structurally it feels right like this, I think. And then I think I'm gonna cut it along this here, so it just kind of creates like a ridge here. I might end up cutting that all out anyways, but I saved the other half in case I fuck up this first one. Alright, I don't know what we got on camera because my storage was full. So this is what it looks like now. These are the goggles, or like head things without the glass in them, of course. And this will go on like this. But there'll be a hole cut here, and then I'm going to tighten up the corners. Yeah. Okay, so what I did here is I took this and I drilled holes in the front here and here and there, and earlier I put it on with this and drew the yellow square from where I believe the view hole will be, and then I marked the holes, and now I'm gonna drill them out. Okay, so I've screwed this onto here, bolted it I guess you should say, and I'm gonna use the scalpel, this thing, and the heat gun to cut that out, and then I'll shape it. So I used the bigger like X-Acto knife, the box cutter, to cut that out, and then I'm gonna just kind of whittle it out because I bent the scalpel a little bit. Okay, so this is where we are with the helmet. it actually turned out pretty good. This is super nice and sturdy. I got the cuts right. And I'm gonna get rid of this here. And then I'm gonna tighten this up probably back here. And then here. But I'm not gonna cut it too much at once. I'm gonna wear it a little bit big when I'm using it, and then as I move around and I start to use it, I'll see where it like hits my shoulder or like whatever, because I'd rather do it piece by piece slowly and just kind of whittle it down. But right now it's too much. This definitely has to go, and this doesn't really have any purpose. It's just extra, and I get caught if I'm ever in any tight places. Right now this is fine, even though it's like a little bit heavier because of that. But if I'm like trying to get into tight spaces and stuff, so yeah, it's something I'm gonna work on. I'll show you guys the next step. So I'm not that great. I'm okay at drawing circles, but yeah, I just came up with that idea. It's not an original idea, but I think it's gonna work pretty well. Alright, I trimmed it a little bit. This is how it looks now. I think I might take some more off of this back corner probably, and then these I'm gonna whittle down for sure, both of these sides, because they hit. I'll probably bring this up closer to this and this closer to here, but I'm gonna put the glass in it and do a little welding before I pull too much off it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. And it will be, am I zoomed in? I am zoomed in. I'm just gonna fine tune it, and it's pretty nice. It's lightweight and no glare. I'm pretty happy with it so far, and it's gonna get better as I like tune it up. And then I think I'll probably like draw some cool shit on it or something. Alright, I think that's it for today. I might do some stuff later, but I'm gonna go on a bike ride because it's super fucking nice out. I don't know where Fo is. She's off doing hood rat shit. But peace, y'all.